I was joking around with a friend yesterday and we were talking about how buyers have down payment assistant, aka stock options. Let's go ahead and unpack that. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and we always start with what's active in the market. We have 478, so that's climbing up, while we have 413 pending. So we have almost about 900 properties on the market. 478 are active, 413 are pending. Comparing to a year ago, we're about 10% higher in listings than we were in 2023. So what's really happening in the market? We're seeing over 100 people to 200 people at the open house. We're seeing 50 to 60 people download disclosure packets. That means there are literally, after all the showings at the open house, this is how many people are interested in possibly writing an offer. And we're averaging about 15 to 20 offers on almost every home. This message is for sellers. If you're thinking about selling and you're wondering if this is the right time for me to actually execute, you're going to see some numbers coming up next month on Zillow and Redfin that I'm telling you here now that values have come up and buyers are actually buying. As I joked around in the opening of this video, like buyers have down payment assistance. That's RSUs. That's their stock options are becoming down payments. And what's happening in the stock market? It's at its all-time high. So go ahead and put your home on the market if you're ready, if you're thinking about selling, because you may capture that highest buyer that's willing to overpay for your home in this crazy market. Feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to guide you through this process. 408-515-1613. Bye-bye now.